Hey guys, I have a great one for you today. I have a skillet full of vegetables, and this is called succotash. Very tasty. If you're a lover of vegetables, this is the video for you. Let's go ahead and take a look at those ingredients. Guys, this recipe comes together very quickly, and when I say 30 minutes, it literally takes only 30 minutes to have this tasty side dish on your table. And we're going to go ahead and start with our canola oil, and we added that to our skillet, and we have our skillet set at a medium heat. And we're going to go ahead and get our Trinity mix in. We have our onion, green pepper, and celery. We're going to get those on in there and get those nice and tender. Once your Trinity mixture is tender, we're going to go ahead and season it up. At this point, you can go ahead and add you some garlic, but I'm going to use my garlic and herb Italian seasoning. There is a plethora of spices in this jar. So we're going to use just 1 tablespoon of our garlic and herb seasonings. It's our Italian seasoning. Give it a good mix so everything is well incorporated. We're going to continue spicing things up by adding our paprika and getting it well incorporated into our mixture. Followed by one of my favorite seasonings that I love to add to my dishes, Sazon. We're going to get a couple of sprinkles in there, and that's probably about 1 teaspoon. Can you believe we're almost done? Now we are simply going to add our vegetables in. We're going to add our frozen corn, frozen lima beans, and we're going to get everything well incorporated with our Trinity mix. Next, we're going to add our 1 can of rotel tomato. Get everything well incorporated, and we're just going to add some water to this, and it is ready to simmer down, and we're going to have a 30-minute side dish here shortly. Now, I'm a person that like to taste my food, and I like my dishes to have a powerful punch. So I'm going to taste and see what I need to add. Now, it's good, but we're going to kick it up. So I'm going to go ahead and add some complete seasoning to this dish. Just a couple of shakes. So we'll say about a half a teaspoon. Next, we're just going to put a little bit of accent. It does not take much. We're just going to continue waking our flavors up. And lastly, we're going to add those parsley flakes. And that's it, guys. We're going to get that all stirred up in there. Add a few turns of cracked black pepper. And we are ready to plate. Okay, let's taste this again. It smells so good. I wish you guys were here to experience this nice aroma that I have going on right now. Here, let me go ahead and give you a close-up. Check that out. My. Absolutely delicious. Absolutely delicious. I tell you what, this can easily turn into a soup, and I would absolutely add some frozen okra and make this a nice soup. Just add you a can of tomato and it's a soup. See, now you have 2 recipes in one. Guys, I certainly hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take the time to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And as I always say, remember to keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.